Hello guys, please ignore the audio. So today we're going to make a React app, add navigation bar to the React app. So navigation bar is kind of important in every website. We're going to try and add that to the React app. So first of all, we need to create the app. If you have everything installed, Node.js installed, you will be able to use this command npx create react my app. You have to install create react as well, which is available in my previous video. You can go back and check that, but let's just do it for now. So it is creating the app. Basically it's just a standard boilerplate or the standard things available. It might take some time, significant amount of time for the first time. So let's wait for that. And I have the code available in paste bin, so I'll be following this, just copying and pasting from here, because there's no point memorizing this, because nowadays a lot of frameworks are coming, so there's no point in memorizing a particular one, but you should learn the philosophy, how things are working. So I'll just copy paste from here wherever required. I've ordered a new mic, but until then you have to tolerate this audio. It's basically just a headphone connected to my laptop, so there's some noise. It's almost done. Okay, it's not supposed to show these errors, but let's see if it works. Then everything's fine. Okay, it's done. So we'll go into our app, my app, and npm start. This is going to run the script to start the app in a new browser. Okay, let's just close other tabs. So right now it's the default app, no changes here. So now we'll open this app in a code editor. It can be anything. I like to use VS Code. Here we go. So this is the src file, the most important file for the user, for the developer. So make all the changes here. You can see. Okay, if you see this code represents the code of app.js file. So I can either modify it one by one. If I had something else like the body already available, I would have modified it one by one. Otherwise I can just paste it, or let me just modify it to show you how it works. So these three things are already available here. I'm going to add these. Mind it, right now it won't work because these things are not installed. I'll show you how to install them. Okay, so first part is done. Then you need to convert this into a React class instead of a function, which will have basically we're overriding the function, I think. So we'll have a method inside it, render, I think. this method render is called by default and it is used to generate the app. Right now this is my okay, so there will be errors because many things are not installed, can't resolve create Bootstrap. So for the next step, that is to install everything, we're going to go into this file package.json, and it's going to have a few things already there. From here, if you compare from here, so it has until React scripts, but these three things are required. Okay, that's it. And this is the index.js file, I think. Yeah, index.js file. In here, what you have to do is add this CSS. That's how CSS is imported in React. So this actually is present inside the node modules folder. I can show you if the structure hasn't been changed yet. So we have, oh, we don't have it because we need to install Bootstrap first. So let's just run npm install. Once we do that, it should take all the new dependencies from all the new things from the package.json file and install all the new things, like you can see. Alright, it's gonna install a few old things as well, probably. Let's just see. Okay, I think it's done. Now we should have a, refresh it, we should have a Bootstrap. Let's go to B menu PQR, yeah, Bootstrap. Okay, there we go. Bootstrap distribution CSS, Bootstrap the CSS. This is what you're including. Can probably include other things as well if you know what you're doing, but until then, let's keep it till here. I'm gonna close this confusing node folders as well. You basically generally don't have to involve with it unless there's some exceptional cases like this. Excuse me. Okay, then it should already be working. In fact, something's wrong. Okay, since it is an external file, I think we need to restart the server. Let's try restarting, otherwise I don't know what the issue is. By the way, yeah, it works. So this is where I took the code from a YouTube channel. I'm not referencing it, but just so you know that I'm not claiming any ownership of this code or anything. This has been done by Garrett Love, I think, going by the same YouTube channel name. You can go ahead and check his channel. I'm just showing it how the breakdown, how to simplify it. Okay, I'll put this link in the description, and let's try changing a few things. Like, all we have right now is home, about, and contact. Let's add gallery. Hope the spelling is correct. See, we have gallery now. Okay, the links will not work because we haven't mapped anything to this. Think next video should be about, no, I'll show the routing later because it's confusing. Next video should be about footer and the body. Until then, goodbye. I'll just end here and see you next time.